Today we're going to take a very short look at this program called Meshy. It's just one web page and see what it can do. And so as usual, I'm showing my face at the first of the video so you can see my face. Don't know why you want to see my face, but people insist on that. But now we're going to go to the main part of the video. I am going to switch on OBS from the display view to the window view so we get a little more focus on the screen and not on the toolbars on my desktop. I'm going to make that change right now. I'll see you on the other side. Alright, and we're back, and so this is Meshy. It's just a little website I found somewhere. I've been going through my list of stuff that I've bookmarked over several months and seeing what's worth keeping, what's worth not. I just tend to bookmark everything I think I might want to come back to later, and after a while that gets kind of messy, so you have to clean it up. Anyway, this is a site called Meshy. It's by somebody named uxie.io, and apparently he hosts this on GitHub, and that's really all I know about the creator. He has made a couple of things that we'll be looking at down the road, but this is a very simple site called Meshy. It's not the greatest site ever, but it is capable of producing some mesh gradient backgrounds. And so right here you see that we have a mesh background on the screen. Then over right we have a few example ones that he's set up, and apparently they get an ID number somehow. Not sure how that works, but let's go ahead and click on this one here, and you see how it loads up. Now you see it has these 4 colors that we can select, and then we can also randomize or save. So let's go ahead and randomize it, and you see how it kind of just mixed the colors in a different pattern. We randomize again, different pattern, randomize again, different pattern. And so you've got 4 colors you can choose from. You can set your own colors. You probably want to set them in a related color range. So you see here we have reds, yellows, oranges, things like that. So let's go ahead and play with this a little bit. Let's go ahead and jack with the colors, and we're going to choose some blue colors. Okay, we'll generate. Okay, so you see how it took those colors and it generated them through the random button, and if we click again we get a different effect, click again we get a different effect, and you just keep on clicking until you see something you like. And that's basically all there is to it. It's nothing fancy, but it is a way that you can produce some interesting backgrounds by picking a few colors and clicking a randomize button. And then once you're done, you can click on save, and then you can set your size. And so our size here, we're going to go to a typical desktop size, about 19 something, and about 10 something here. Something like that. And then we can download the file. So I'm going to switch back to the display capture for this so we can pick that up off the desktop. So I'm going to make that change right now. Alright, go back to my desktop. Here's the one we downloaded. We need to open it up in a program. We could choose different programs here. Quite a few number we could do. I'm going to choose paint.net. Paint.net is already installed on my computer. This is the one from my previous experiment with this, so we'll close that. And close that. I'm not going to save it. Alright, so paint.net is the one I chose because I just use it all the time. And so we're going to go ahead and open, go to our desktop, pick out the mesh background we created, load it up, and there it is. And so that's what it would look like full size. And that's really all there is to that site. It's just a little site to make mesh backgrounds, and you pick your colors and whack the random button until you see something you like.